Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about something which every data scientist or analytic professional should be aware of. Today's topic deals with the fact that how to identify the primary key or the set of columns at which each row in the dataset is unique in situations where dataset is new and doesn't have a data dictionary along with it. To demonstrate today's topic, I have created a dummy dataset over here. So it's a simplistic data set which has six columns and 1,000 rows. And this is the code to do it. Let me just quickly explain what it does. In this part, I am basically reading this dummy data set. The central theme to do this check is basically you have to identify a combination of columns on which you are going to do an aggregation of one of the remaining columns and see if you are getting every count which is equal to 0, basically. No count is greater than 1, right? So that is basically what you need to check. But in order to do that check, has to be an iterative process where you have to do all the combinations of different columns in the data set, and you have to run this check through each of those combinations of columns to get to the actual primary key. So to create those combinations of columns, I'm doing this. So I'm using count vectorizer from sklearn, and what it basically does is from the given data, it will basically create all the combinations of column sets, which will go one by one into this checking criterion over here through this loop structure. So once all of them go through, it is going to stop at a combination which actually satisfies this criterion over here. And in case there is no such primary key found, then it will basically return this statement. So to demonstrate, let me just run this code. So as you can see, it is showing the first five records, 1,000 rows, six columns, and it has identified the primary key of this dataset is the combination of region ID, customer ID, and owner ID. So yeah, guys, go ahead and use this in your daily problems and let me know how it works. And thanks for watching.